Namaste, seekers of the divine. Join us on a spiritual journey as we embark on a quest to visit sacred places, understand the beauty of religious festivals across different regions, and explore India's syncretic traditions that weave a tapestry of harmony and diversity. Let the spiritual odyssey begin. Spiritual journey, visiting sacred places in India, unveiling sacred sanctuaries. India, a land where spirituality permeates every corner. In this segment, we embark on a spiritual journey, visiting sacred places that hold centuries of devotion and divine energy. Varanasi, the spiritual heart. Discover the spiritual heartbeat of India in Varanasi, where the sacred Ganges River flows, and ancient Ghats host rituals that connect the earthly with the divine. Golden Temple, Amritsar. Witness the gleaming Golden Temple in Amritsar, a symbol of Sikhism's spiritual radiance and a testament to the concept of equality and unity. Rishikesh and the Ganges Aarti experience, the mesmerizing Ganges Aarti in Rishikesh, where the riverbanks come alive with the rhythmic chants and glowing diyas, creating a celestial atmosphere. Jain temples of Palitana. Climb the sacred hills of Palitana to explore the awe-inspiring Jain temples, a pilgrimage site for Jains seeking spiritual ascent. As we immerse ourselves in these sacred journeys, let's delve into the vibrant tapestry of religious festivals that paint India in a myriad of colors. Understanding religious festivals in different regions. Colors of devotion, festivals across India. India celebrates a tapestry of festivals, each a vibrant expression of devotion and cultural richness. Join us in understanding the diverse festivals that paint the nation with hues of joy and spirituality. Diwali, Festival of Lights. Experience the brilliance of Diwali, the Festival of Lights, celebrated with diyas, rangolis, and the triumph of light over darkness. Holi, the Festival of Colors. Dive into the colorful revelry of Holi, where streets come alive with vibrant powders, symbolizing the victory of good over evil and the arrival of spring. Eid-ul-Fitr, breaking the fast. Witness the joyous celebrations of Eid-ul-Fitr, marking the end of Ramadan, where communities come together to break their fasts with feasts and prayers. Navratri and Durga Puja. Celebrate the fervor of Navratri and Durga Puja, where devotion, dance, and vibrant processions honor the divine feminine energy. As we revel in the diversity of festivals, let's explore India's unique syncretic traditions, where different faiths coexist in perfect harmony. Segment 3. Exploring India's syncretic traditions, harmony and diversity. Unity and diversity, a spiritual synthesis. India is a testament to unity and diversity, where various religions coalesce to create a beautiful tapestry of syncretic traditions. Join us in exploring the harmonious blend of faiths. Ajmer Sharif Dargah and Pushkar. Visit Ajmer Sharif Dargah, a revered Sufi shrine, and nearby Pushkar, a Hindu pilgrimage site, showcasing the seamless coexistence of Islam and Hinduism. St. Thomas Mount, Chennai. Explore St. Thomas Mount in Chennai, where a Christian shrine and a Hindu temple coexist, symbolizing the unity of different religious beliefs. Unity in pilgrimage sites. Discover how pilgrimage sites like Sabarimala in Kerala attract devotees from various religions, fostering a sense of shared spirituality. As we conclude our journey through India's religious diversity, we invite you to appreciate the unity that emanates from this diversity. If this exploration resonated with you, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more cultural insights, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until our next spiritual sojourn, may your path be illuminated with harmony and understanding.